Hi, okay, today I'm going to go through a quick tutorial on how to draw arms. But the thing we need to do first is to understand about how the arms relate to what we've learned before. So before we learned how to draw the head, right, we learned how to draw the head, as well as learn how to draw the chest and shoulders. So chest, shoulders, alright, as well as the back, which is at the back here. And then we also have connected to these shoulders, arms. Right? These are very nice arms. Now how do I draw arms? Arms are very, very simple. I break them down into three sections. Right? I break them down into the shoulder, right? The upper arm, and then the forearm. Okay, so shoulder, upper arm, forearm. Last time when I was doing the chest muscles and the back muscles, I didn't really talk about how to draw them so much as I just went into the anatomy, and I don't know why I did that. So let's just go through that real quick. How to draw chest muscles? Easy, just two rectangles. Okay. How to draw shoulders? Another one. Alright, or you can do a circle, up to you. Alright. And then you just never forget this trapezius muscle at the back. How do you draw back muscles? That's easy. Draw the trap muscles first, okay? Just a big triangle, okay? And then draw the shoulders, and then just draw the back, another triangle. Easy. Alright, that's how I do the back. But no. What I want to talk to you about today is the arms. How do you draw the arms? We have to do shoulder, upper arm, elbow, and then forearm, right? Elbows, drawing the elbow is really helpful when you're like doing a bent arm, something like that. Yeah, that's where the hand is. Okay, so the thing about the arm we need to remember is this shoulder. Right, the shoulder has three main components. Right, I talked about this last time. After the shoulder, we also have the biceps. Right, the bicep is the one. Right, so if this is our arm, right, and this is our body facing this way, this here is the bicep. Okay, here, this here is the tricep. Right, and that's pretty much all you need to do. All you need to know about this part of the arm. And of course, we have the shoulder muscles, or the deltoids. And then for forearms, I don't really like have names for forearms. Just forearms. Alright. For my really muscular characters or drawings, I always include this thing here. So whenever the arm is bent, there's like a fold here in the elbow. But there's really not much else to talk about for drawing the arms, to be honest. It's very, very straightforward. This muscle here is connect. I always draw it so that like the trajectory of this always goes towards the wrist knuckle, the wrist bone, wrist knuckle. That's on the thumb side. So this is going towards the thumb, and the rest is just whatever. Yeah, this is just how I do arms, honestly. I don't know how else I can describe it. Okay, yes, it's also important to realize that the wrist, right, the wrist here, this can actually rotate. Right, so when you're drawing different positions of the arm, you have to be aware of that. But, same as every other thing, every other tutorial, same thing. Just use references. Alright, use references for your drawings. Just use references. Like, there's no easier way to draw than just to use references. I'm just gonna look for some references right now. I'm gonna go Pinterest, alright? Go Pinterest.com, and then I go to, I just copy some photos in. Bam, photo 1. What about this one? Bam, photo 2. How about this one? Bam, photo 3. Alright. What about, let's do 5. Let's do 5 photos of just arms. How about this guy? Oops. Oops. Alright. And this lady. Easy. Alright, after you look at this, you try to copy it. Oh, this lady has, her arms aren't that defined, so, you know, the way we're gonna do it is we just like, it's like that shape. Right, and the same as this side. And this can be split up to, well, her upper arm and shoulders are like melded together, so whatever. And then this is her forearm. Well, we can't see it past this picture, so we just use our imagination. Yeah. Next one is easy. This lady here. She has very muscular arms, very nice. So we have the upper arm, the shoulder, and the forearm, right? Shoulder, upper arm, forearm, and with the hands. We don't do the hands at the moment. This guy, look at him. What a beast. Shoulder, upper arm, forearm. Shoulder, upper arm, forearm. Alright, you don't have to trace over. You can use these as like, how it's supposed to be used, which is as references. So you use them as, just like put them to the side and look at them and try to copy them. Alright, then you will have like a reference to use. Let's put this guy down here. Okay. Now we can be like, oh, okay, now I'm gonna copy what these guys' arms look like. Look at this guy. Oh, let's do this one. This arm. So shoulder, upper arm, forearm. Like very simple shapes. Very simple shapes. And you can see like now after we've done the simple shapes, we can just do all the contours now. So this is the shoulder, right? And then there's the bicep, and that's like the little indent in the arm. And now we can see that. Oh, that's it. That's all we need to do for the arm. Right, and it's also connected to the chest, right? And then the chest is here, and then he's got abs too. Oh wow, amazing! Oh. Alright, what about this lady? Let's do her arm here. That's pretty easy. She's got like this shoulder thing, her upper arm, and then her forearm. Bam, done. Alright, what about this one? Let's try this one here. Let's do like this. Shoulder, arm, forearm. Okay, maybe it's not exactly accurate. Who cares? It looks like an arm anyway. Alright, let's do this guy again. Why not? Let's do this arm. Just 3 simple shapes. Alright? Yeah. Well, that's about it for drawing arms. Good practice. Just do it over and over and over and over and over again. Use Pinterest as reference and you'll get good in no time. No time at all. Bye!